Okay. Now we are going for the next question. Read the question. I will going to explain. Okay. Read the question. Read. Same.
Suzuki India issued a prospectus inviting application for 60,000 shares of its same, each at a premium of 30% payable as follows. On application, rupees 3.5. On allotment,
3.5. Okay.
allotment 5.5,
5.5
including
with the 3 plus 2.5. Now, beta.
yes.
Okay. Next.
On first call, rupees 2.
Okay.
Second call, 2. Application was received for 95,000.
Yes.
That full code is not coming in that video full code.
Upside not home. कोई नहीं. Okay.
Application was received for 95,000 shares.
Application received for 95. Okay. Then what are we doing? Multiply by the 95 na beta. Okay. And next.
An allotment was made for the applicants of 80,000 shares.
Wait. 80,000. It means 80,000 share means 10, 15,000 rejected na beta.
Yes.
15,000 rejected. Clear or not? We are receiving 95,000 share. Okay. Subscribe. But we are going to issue or adjust with the 80,000. It means 15,000 share we are going to reject. Okay. Now start 95 into 3.5. Tell me the amount fast. 95 into 3.5. Fast, fast. Do it fast. What amount is coming?
Sir, 3,
3,
325.
3325.
Yes, sir.
35 and 17. 35 and 17. What about
3,32,500.
500. Then we are issuing only what amount beta? 60,000. Then what amount is coming? 35 into 60. Fast. $21 lakh. Okay. Then difference amount 1,22,000 or not? On 35,000 share 1,22,500 beta na? Okay. 15,000 reject. Okay. Then calculate 15 into 35. Fast. 15 into 35.
Sir, 525.
525 beta 0, 0, 0, 0 and 70,000 on 20,000 share. It's clear? 20, 25, 70 na? Up to this is clear or not? First we are going to calculate the advance amount, then less the rejected share amount, and then this is the advance. That will go in the where? Allotment and adjust. Okay beta? Now start with the 60,000. 60,000 into 3 beta?
1,20,000.
60,000 into 2.5? 60,000 into 2.5? Total amount? 330 na beta? Okay, go for the next. 120 and 120. Up to this any problem? Anyone? Okay? Now, let's start with this adjustment. Okay? Okay, tell me the error.
X to whom previously were allotted failed to pay allotment money and on his
pay the first column. After pay first column beta, his share will forfeited. Okay, amount of share is
1500.
allotted or applied. Allotted. Now allotted beta. Now we are going to start the 3 step for calculating of error. First, if allotted is there, then what beta? And if applied is there, then so here allotted beta. Then what we are going to calculate? Applied. Applied into allotted. Applied is equal to allotted into what? A subscribed upon issue. So then subscribed 80 and issue beta. Don't use 95 because 15,000 rejected. Okay? Don't confuse on the point. Okay. Then number of share beta allotted. Okay, 1500 into 8 upon 6. What amount is coming? Do it fast. 2000. Okay? 2000 beta. Now we are going to calculate what? Second step is what? Second step, advance. No reviews. Second step, advance. Then applied and allotted. Here is applied for the 2000. What we are given beta? 1500. 2000 into 3.5. 1500 into 3.5. What amount is coming? 7,000. Here 5250. Okay? Then difference amount beta? Difference amount 1750. Okay? Now go to calculate the what beta? Third. What? Area. Okay. In 1500 share we are going to ask about this 5.5. What amount is coming? 1500 into 5.5. What amount is coming beta? Tell me fast. 8250. Okay, but we have 1750. Then remaining amount beta 6500. That will less from here. Okay beta? Clear? 6500. Then remaining amount beta 3235. Up to this is clear? Go for next. One more is there beta na? It's a 1500. Okay? Then next.
Why the holder of 2400 shares failed to pay the 2 calls and his share was forfeited after the second call?
Okay, 2 calls. 2 calls. Okay? It's a holder. Holder means allotted. Holder means allotted. 2400 into 2 and 2400 into 2. But first we are going to ask the 1500 into this one. Because first calls again, what amount is coming? 3000. Then less this amount again, 24 into 2 beta. Here 48. Less the amount. 1 lakh plus 200. And here again 200, 5, 115, 200. Okay? Up to this is clear enough. Now we are going to start entry from this. Okay? I'm again going to repeat this. Okay? Let's start with this. Entry. Write down. We have no space for that, but okay, next are just the 70,000 again, beta. This 70, 5, 0, 3, 7 and 2. Total amount is 273,500. We are receiving on the time of error. Okay, let's start. First beta, bank account debit. Bank account debit to share share application. Okay beta, what amount entered? 332500. Okay, 332500. Clear? Next, share application account debit to share capital to share allotment and to bank. Okay. Okay. Clear? Amount 332500 and then 21 and then 52500 and last 7. Up to this is clear? Up to this clear? No? Okay. Next, this. वीडियो होगा तो सामने खड़ा जाता है।
अरे हम लिखते हैं वीडियो।
Okay. Next, allotment वाली एंट्री। Share allotment account debit to share capital and to security premium. Okay. The amount of security premium beta 1,50,000 and this 1,80,000. Then this amount is beta 3,30,000. Clear? Next, we are receiving the money bank account to share allotment. But cost in area again, na? So then cost in area debit. Cost in area amount beta 6,500 and what amount are receiving? This. I'm sorry. This 253500. Okay. So 200 and 06. 260. Up to this is clear? Okay. Go for the next. And next entry beta. What? Allotment beta. First allotment, then first call. First call, na? Then share first call account debit to share beta capital and amount beta 1 lakh and then bank account debit calls in area debit to share first call. Okay. What amount is coming? Tell me fast. 120 then 112,200 and total area is 7,800. Okay, 120 is missing here. Here this amount is not coming. Why? Anyone? Because 1,500 share forfeited, na? Okay. After this we are going to forfeit the entries. Okay. Up to this is clear. Then I am going for the forfeit entry. Okay. Start the forfeit entry. The entry order. Share capital account debit to share forfeiture to share allotment to share first call. It's the case of premium beta. So then share of security premium account debit. Okay, put the premium amount 2.5 beta. No, sorry, 3. 3 is the premium. 3 is the premium. Okay, and 2.5 is the allotment. Then total amount is 2.5, 3.5. What about is coming? 6. And then 2. Then 8. It means called up money beta 8. 8.5. 8 is there, na? 2.5 and 3.5. Total is what? 6 and 2, 8. 8 is the called up money. Share forfeiture. What amount we are receiving in first time? 2,000 into 3.5, 7,000. Now beta, into 1,500 into 1,500. In allotment, 6,000. In first call, just see, same amount is coming or not? Both are coming equal or not? 16,500 this side. Coming? No?
Yes.
Coming beta? Up to this is clear? Now we are going to second. Okay? Second call. On the time of second call, we are going to less from here 1,500. So remaining beta? Remaining 58,500. So just multiply with the 58,500. What amount is coming? 1,17,000.
Yes.
And then remaining amount is 122. Okay? Now we are going to forfeit these also. Okay? Now let's start to forfeiting. You able to do the entry of issue now? Then I am directly go for the forfeit entry. First we are doing the issued entry for second call and then we are going to forfeit entry. But I am directly go for the forfeit entry. Then share capital account debit to share forfeiture to share second. Now beta, we didn't use premium. Why? Because premium is not there. Okay? Then calls 4,800 total amount. Number of share beta? Number of share? The number of shares that forfeited?
2,400.
24. Okay. 24 into 10 rupees total. Total 10 beta. Then what amount we are receiving? 24 into 3.50, 2.50 and 2. It means 8 rupees. 2,400 into 8. I think it came. Because 8 and 2 and here is 10. Okay? Now we are going to reissue. Reissue na? Reissue of the shares. Here forfeited 7,000. 7,000 and here 24 into 8. Okay, reissue you want? Entry bank account debit to beta share capital. Okay, how many shares is reissue beta?
3,000 shares were sold. Of the share forfeited, 3,000 shares were sold to Jet as fully paid. Jet paying 8.5 per share, the whole of 5 shares being included.
Okay, don't worry. Up to this is clear or not? Share forfeiture. It's clear now? 3,000 into 8.5, 3,000 into 1.5 is fine now. And then 3,000 into 10. It's clear? Now the problem is coming when we are going to transfer the forfeiture amount in capital. Okay. So 24,000 full share we are utilized, beta. 24,000 full share we are utilized. Okay. It means here we are using what amount? 3,545. 45 beta? No. 3,000 into 1.5. 45 beta? Anything else? Okay. Now we are going to calculate the amount which we are going to transfer in share forfeiture. 7,000 is here only and multiply of this, what amount is coming? Tell me fast. 24 into 4. 24 into 8. What amount? 192. 19,200. This not? Okay. This 19,200 for 2,400 and this 700 for beta 1,500. Okay. Up to this is clear. And from this we are utilized full amount. In this year, two type of share is there. One 2,400 full. No beta. 24 full or 15 full. Okay. And then 600 for second. Okay. So then 24 full. So just calculate the amount. We are utilizing 4,500. We are utilizing 4,500. Okay. 600 share only we are utilizing for that person. Na? So 7,000 for the 1,500. Okay. So for 600 beta. For 600. What amount is coming? Do it fast, do it fast. For 600.
Minus 600 minus.
No, minus me, multiply it.
Right.
Multiply it. This is the only line is there. 20. Okay, beta. 2,800. In this 2,800, we are using for 600.
Computer copies.
600 into
Sonali. Bring to one anyhow.
600 into 1.5. What amount is coming? 600 into 1.5. 600 into 1.5. 900 we are going to utilize from this. 900. Remaining amount, beta? Remaining amount. 1900 we are going to use this, and in this year full amount and 24 into 1.5. 24 into 1.5. 36 na beta. So 36 less from this amount. 36 less from this amount. What amount is coming? That will transfer in share forfeiture. Okay, beta? Okay? Okay.